Now we are on part 30 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. Let's talk more about URLs. To ensure that both the end user and search engines can read the URL, we need to make sure it is clear and concise. In this example, we can see that the URL amazon.com/mensshoes/sneakers/puma is easy to understand for the end user. By looking at the URL, users can tell that they will be directed to a Puma sneakers page for men on amazon.com. To have a positive user experience, it is important to have a clear and understandable URL that conveys information about the page content. URLs with dynamic parameters can make it difficult for users to determine where they are going. In the example provided, the URL contains the word shoes, but the remaining parameters are unclear and provide no useful information to the user. Similarly, a URL that lacks readability, such as a long string of numbers and characters, is also problematic as it does not convey any meaningful information to the user. Ultimately, users need to have confidence in knowing where they will end up once they click on a link in the search engine results. Therefore, it's crucial to prioritize creating URLs that are clear, concise, and easy to understand. To have a better chance of ranking higher, it is important to have a readable and understandable URL structure. If users and search engines can't understand the URL, it will negatively impact the relevancy of the page. This is why it's crucial to use keywords that are easily understandable by both users and search engines. In some cases, it's better to separate keywords using a hyphen for better readability, as we can see in the example, men's shoes, separated by a hyphen. By doing this, we can increase the chances of the page ranking higher and provide a better user experience. In an ideal scenario, a readable, short and concise URL can increase your chances of ranking higher on the search engine results page compared to a long and outdated URL that is difficult to read. Now, we reach the discussion on image alt text, also known as alt tags. Alt tags are important because they help search engines understand the content of images on a web page. Although images are a key component of web pages, they are typically not readable by search engines due to their file format. Therefore, providing alternate text through alt tags is essential to help search engines comprehend the content of those images. Alt tags provide a means to communicate with search engines to enhance their understanding of the content of an image, thereby making the web page more relevant. In the event of that an image fails to load on a web page, the alt tag will be displayed in place of the missing image. Additionally, if there is an alt tag and a search engine has crawled the website, the alt tag will serve as a descriptor for the image when someone is searching for images. As with other on-page SEO techniques, there are character limits to alt tags, and the recommended length for an alt tag is 125 characters. Alt tags are incorporated into the HTML code and are used to provide a descriptor for that image. For optimal results, it is advisable to use relevant search queries in the alt tag to increase the chances of being found for a particular search engine query. Now let me illustrate an example of Maggiano's website. If we inspect one of the images on their web page and check on social media platforms like Pinterest or Facebook, we can see that the image has an alt tag. This highlights the importance of adding alt tags to all images on a web page to effectively communicate with search engines about the image content. Alt tags also help search engines to rank images on search engine results pages based on the alt text and relevant keywords used in the query. Alt tags have a crucial role to play in web page optimization. They act as a fallback when an image fails to load on a web page. Additionally, they help search engines to understand the content of the images, thus improving the overall relevance of the page. It is advisable to include relevant keyword queries in the alt tags to increase the chances of being found for a particular search engine query. One should aim to be as descriptive as possible within the 125 character limit to create an easy-to-read and informative alt tag. Internal links are crucial for on-page SEO because they facilitate the movement of search engine crawlers from one page of a website to another. In other words, internal links allow search engines like Google to follow the pages and index the entire website. By providing internal links, website owners make it easier for search engines to crawl and index their website, thus improving its overall visibility and search engine ranking. In addition to improving indexing, internal linking also has other benefits. One of the key benefits is that it helps to distribute link juice. Link juice refers to the ranking power that is passed from one page to another through hyperlinks. By including internal links on a web page, website owners can help to pass on link juice to other pages within their site, thereby increasing their overall ranking power. When a particular page on a website has multiple internal links pointing to it, search engines tend to interpret it as an important page and assign it at a higher rank. Link juice is a term that refers to the ranking power passed through hyperlinks from one page to another. Search engines use link juice to determine which pages on a website are important based on the number of links that point to them. For example, navigation links on a website usually point to every page, but when multiple pages contains links to a specific page, it sends a signal to search engines that that page is important. Moving on to the next topic, let's discuss sitemaps. Sitemaps serve as a list of all web pages on our website, making it easier for search engines to find them. This is similar to how internal linking helps search engines find pages quicker by having one link pointing to another page on the website. By providing a sitemap, search engines can quickly and easily locate all the pages on the website, making it easier for them to crawl and index the site. To put it simply, sitemaps serve as a comprehensive list of all the pages on a website, which makes it easier for search engines to find and index those pages. This is similar to the benefits of internal linking, where linking one page to another helps search engines find and index those pages. However, sitemaps also benefit the end user by providing an easy-to-use navigation tool that allows them to quickly locate specific pages on a large website, such as Amazon. The two types of sitemaps are the HTML version for the end user and the XML version for search engine spiders. The HTML sitemap is designed in a hypertext markup language and is accessed by clicking on a link usually located in the footer of the website. It provides a list of all the links on a website. On the other hand, the XML sitemap is formatted in XML and is meant for search engines to crawl the website. Clicking on the HTML sitemap links allows the end user to quickly navigate the website and find what they're looking for. On the other hand, the XML sitemap is specifically designed for search engines. It works by submitting the sitemap to Google so that Google can easily understand and index all the pages on the website. To illustrate, let's take the website valleyfig.com as an example. If I were a search engine, I would want to know all the URLs that exist on this website. However, as an end user, I can also type in sitemap.xml to view all the URLs on the website. The purpose of an XML sitemap is to make sure it is easy for search engines to find all the pages on a website. In particular, Google has a search console where you can submit your XML sitemap so that Google can quickly understand the URLs on your website. Google Search Console is a powerful tool that allows website owners to communicate with Google and manage various aspects of their website's performance and search results. One important function of Search Console is the ability to submit an XML sitemap, which can help Google discover and index all the pages on your website. To submit an XML sitemap to Search Console, you first need to ensure that your sitemap file is located in the root directory of your website. This is typically done by creating a file called sitemap.xml and pasting it in the main folder of your website. Once you've confirmed the location of your sitemap file, you can log into the Search Console and navigate the sitemap section. From there, you can add your sitemap URL and submit it to Google for indexing. Submitting your sitemap in Search Console can help ensure that Google is aware of all the pages on your website, including any new or updated content. This can ultimately lead to better visibility and higher rankings in search results, as well as improved user experience for visitors to your site. When we submit our sitemap to Google using the Search Console, we are essentially telling Google to take a shortcut and not to have crawl through our entire website to discover all the web pages. By submitting the sitemap, we are communicating to Google the complete list of URLs on our website, which allows the search engine to understand our website structure more efficiently. This can be a valuable time saver, especially for larger websites with numerous pages. When Google understands the structure of our website, it can index our pages more efficiently and accurately. As a result, our website may have a higher chance of appearing in relevant search results. To elaborate further, the benefit of submitting an XML sitemap to search engines like Google is that it allows for a more efficient and effective crawling and indexing process. By providing a comprehensive list of all the pages on the website, search engines can quickly understand the structure and content of the website. This can lead to a faster indexing of a majority, if not all, of the pages on a website. Without an XML sitemap, search engines may have difficulty finding and indexing all the pages on the website, especially if the website is large or complex. This could result in certain pages not being included in search engine results, which can limit the visibility and traffic to the website. Overall, the use of an XML sitemap can improve the website's search engine optimization efforts and ultimately lead to more visibility and traffic from search engines. And that ends a part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 31.